I am no mushroom, but I am a fun guy to craft with. Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. I want to thank you guys right off the bat for sticking with me and all those comments and likes and subscribers. You guys are awesome. So today we are going to do the Dollar Tree Mushroom Fairy House. I really want to get into that, and since I got the idea while walking to the Dollar Tree store, so let me show you what we're gonna need, huh? These are the basics. One of the wax melt little things from the Dollar Tree. This is one of the bowls. I bought a set. There was two. One was smaller. A piece of the floral foam, and you're only going to need a piece big enough to sit on top. Your little bowl will fit over, and it will keep it so high enough where it will look like a mushroom. And some of the reindeer moss, scissors, and a glue gun. Now, those are the basics. The rest of the stuff that I'm going to show you are optional. If you do not have spray paint, you're going to want to paint, maybe, if you don't have to, if you don't want to, paint this. I recommend a white first, and that way you have a coating to cover up whatever color this happens to be. So paint, sponges for your paint, and a little trick I'm going to show you is after I paint this, I get the first coating of white on, I am going to take these little things, and what these are Avery, I got these from the Dollar Tree too, Avery all-purpose labels, and I used my one-hole punch. You can use a smaller one if you like, and I'm going to stick them on, and then I'm going to go second coat around and of whatever color I want my mushroom to be. And then after it's dry, I will peel this off, and I'll have nice little polka dots all over my mushroom. But basically, these are all options. You could use stickers, you can use stars, it doesn't have to be. You can paint it whatever color. You could use a round dauber brush or the end of a paintbrush and put polka dots on it. You can paint it any way you want. Options. I'm all about the options and the imagination. And don't forget, you're going to need your little fairy things. These also Dollar Tree. And because you're going to need something to live in your house, or at least sit in your house. So that is all we need. Okay, so basically you need this little thing here. I still haven't figured out the name for it. The wax melter, a bowl, a little piece of foam to hold up the bowl, the hot glue to glue the bowl to the foam that sits on this thingy here, some scissors, your little fairy things, and some moss to make it look like it belongs outside. That's basic, all you need. The rest is imagination. So, now we know what we need. Let's get to work, huh? And there we go. There is my cute little fairy house. And how easy. This was so easy. Everything came from the Dollar Tree except for the spray paint. And that I did have out in my garage. And surprisingly, it sat there all winter and no heat in my garage. But it was still usable. The reindeer moss, the little fairy garden things, even these little artificial flowers, I snipped off little pieces that I had around the house. And the tea candle, Dollar Tree. So, just about everything. And so worth it. So absolutely worth it. I think they're adorable. And these are going to look great. Yes. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy at least half as much as I enjoy doing these things for you. Yes, I do them for you. I love sharing, and I love trying to give at least a little bit of inspiration to get that imagination going. So, if you did enjoy, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell. Now I've been told that there's a little if you hit the subscribe and then you hit the bell, it'll ask you if you want to see them every time I upload, or just occasionally, or maybe never. I'm not sure, but I am trying, and I'm proud of myself. I've actually been doing it pretty tight to the schedule. So, and leave me a comment. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't like it. I don't mind bad publicity, I guess it's called. Be honest. I love good and honest feedback. If I'm doing something wrong, tell me. Please tell me so I don't keep doing it. And I really, really hope you have a great week. I hope to see you soon. And please, try it. Let your imagination go. Let me give you the inspiration. You bring out your imagination and enjoy. Enjoy. So you guys are priceless. I really enjoy having you here. So, God bless you all, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.